If you're preparing for the EPIC hiring assessment, this is the kind of questions you want to practice. It looks almost too easy, and that's the trap. The test is not trying to destroy you with advanced math. It is testing whether you panic when a simple pattern is hidden in the plain sight. Stay until the end. Once you see the trick, this style of question becomes much easier to recognize. And think of it as a tiny puzzle with the oversized personality. Consider the following pyramid. The bottom row of the pyramid has numbers 1, 1, and 2. Middle row has numbers 1 and 2. And the top number in the pyramid is missing. You need to calculate the missing number and select your answer out of 4 possible choices: A1, B2, C3, or D4. Can you try to solve it on your own and choose the right answer? It's a clear solution, but only to those who look at it the right way. I'm pretty sure you're one of them, though. Take a close look at the pyramid. From the larger pyramid, you can form smaller pyramids. For example, 1, 1, and 1 would be a smaller pyramid. And the number in the top of the small pyramid is calculated as multiplication of the bottom numbers. Let's look at the example. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. Let's look at the next small pyramid. 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. And the missing number can be calculated as 1 multiplied by 2 and would also equal 2. And the correct answer here is choice B, 2. The bigger lesson with the EPIC test is simple. Hiring assessments reward pattern recognitions more than memorization. You may see number patterns, logic questions, word problems, or fast reasoning tasks. But the skill is usually the same. Stay calm, compare what you know, and find the rule. That's why practicing one question at a time works. Every pattern you recognize becomes one less surprise on a test day. Watch a few more assessment-style questions next, here on Online Training for Everyone, and train your brain to spot the patterns faster.